Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if your Android is not charging. Here are 4 quick and easy fixes you can try. First, you need to check your cable and power adapter. Ensure that the charging cable and power adapter are properly connected and not damaged. Try using a different cable and adapter to see if the issue resolved. You could also try cleaning your charging port. Sometimes dust and debris can accumulate in charging port, preventing proper contact between the charging cable and the port. Use a soft brush or toothpick to clean out the port gently. Or you could try restarting your device. Restarting your Android device can sometimes fix charging issues by resetting the software as well. Also check for any software updates. What you have to do is go to the settings, and after you go to the settings, go to the system. Bottom you can see, click on tap on that option, and from here select the system update, and from here you can simply update the system as well and make sure your device is running the latest version of Android. Software updates can fix bugs and improve device performance, including charging issues. If none of the solution work, there may be a hardware problem with the device and you may need to contact the manufacturer or a professional repair service for assistance.